the only 8th division champion of the world. At the Senate, we praise God. Na-miss natin siya sa Senate this time. But when he was there at the Senate, he authored the historic National Bible Day celebration. It is now a law and is being celebrated every last Monday of the month in the Philippines. But many do not know. Kilala natin siya bilang Pac-Man, boxer. But do you not know, do you know that he is a family man? Siya po, nung makakilala siya sa Panginoon, he led his wife and all his children to the Lord. Praise God. And from his house, nagkaroon sila ng Bible study. At yung church, yung Bible study na yan, naging church. And he built, from his own earning, he built a 4,000 seats worship center in his hometown in General Santos City. The Word for Everyone Ministries International. And then, from there, they started planting churches also. Today, there are 9 churches that were established by this local church. Ito pa, I have seen twice of his fight in Las Vegas. But this man is amazing. 4 or 5 days before the title fight or the fight, he has evangelistic Bible studies. And thousands have been introduced to the gospel because of that ministry. Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon. Recently, he started Maharlika Pastors Cooperative. Pastors Cooperative. You know his vision? To serve PCEC pastors in buildings, in health, in education of pastor kids, and the retirement of pastors.
Wow.
Hintayin po ninyo ang Maharlika Pastors Cooperative. He is a discipleship group leader. Every Thursday, meron po siyang D group. And over 50 people are attending his own Bible study. Before he gives his testimony and challenges us to go and make disciples, before we call the Honorable Senator Brother Manny Pacquiao, let us welcome the Word of Everyone Ministries International.